Are you frustrated with your weight loss progress? Losing weight can be a challenging journey, and sometimes we hit a roadblock called a plateau. But don't worry, you can break through these plateaus and achieve your weight loss goals by following these effective strategies. First, reassess your calorie intake. It's possible that your body has adapted to your current calorie level. Try reducing your calorie intake slightly to jumpstart your weight loss again. Next, vary your exercise routine. Your body can get accustomed to the same workout, leading to a plateau. Mix it up by trying new activities or increasing the intensity of your current workout. Challenge your muscles and keep your metabolism on its toes. Another strategy is to increase your protein intake. Protein helps build and repair tissues, curbs hunger, and boosts metabolism. Include lean protein sources like chicken, eggs, and legumes in your meals to support weight loss and muscle maintenance. Speaking of meals, intermittent fasting might be worth a try. This approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It can help break through plateaus and improve insulin sensitivity, making weight loss easier. Consult a healthcare professional before trying intermittent fasting. Don't forget to prioritize sleep. Inadequate sleep can disrupt your metabolism and hormone levels, making it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss efforts. Lastly, don't lose motivation. Plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss journey. Keep your goals in mind, stay consistent, and trust the process. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. So keep pushing, and you'll break through that plateau in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to achieve a healthier you.